Civco's TEE transport tray provides for compliant workflow while helping protect your ultrasound probes from damage and cross-contamination. In this video, we will show you how to secure the lid on your TEE transport tray. After placing the ultrasound probe in Civco's TEE transport tray, the lid will need to be properly secured. Insert lid tabs into slots on far side of tray at a 90-degree angle. Slide lid to secure. Bend tray and lid tab on near side of tray to meet at a 45-degree angle. Push tab through slot. Slide lid to secure. To remove lid, perform these steps in reverse order.